All right. Yeah, man. All right, so very good. Let's move on to 23. The maths part of it can be a little more tedious. So guys, spend time and figure it out. All right. This paper is 1 hour and 15 minutes. All right. So it says examine three diagrams labeled S, T, and U. A relationship exists between the three numbers in the diagram S. The same operation used in the relationship between the numbers in the diagram S are used in the relationship between the numbers in diagram T. Use the same operation to complete the diagram U and answer item 23. So it said the same relationship exists. So you have to find the relationship that exists. So you examine the first two before you go to this one, all right? So you're gonna look at what relationship, like for example, you have 5, you have 8, you go so, you get 5, then you go so, you get 15. So we have to identify this relationship. All right, look at it very carefully. I think I've seen the relationship now. It's a very nice question. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. Let's see if Joshua sticks in the chat. Nothing yet. All right. All right. Here comes it. Let me see. Joshua says D. All right.
Sir,
What's the
B.
answer?
B.
B.
No, B as in bug.
Bug. All right. Everyone agree that it's B or D. Which is it?
B.
B as in bat. Or B as in Bennett. Oh my God. Oh my. B as in Bennett. That B? Or
Yes,
D as
sir.
in dog?
No, sir. B as in Benny.
All right. All right. So what's the relationship? What's happening? Oh, you know it's 24. Explain. Who wants to take the floor?
Okay, sir. So what I found out is that the 5 minus the 8 equals 3. Then I went ahead and said 3 times 5 gives you the 50. And then I used that same thing that I did for the first thing. And then I said the 5 minus the 2 equals 3.
Okay. So you're minus the 5. So you say 7, 5, 35. I can see that. So it will be
Yes,
10
sir.
minus 4 give you 6. And then you're saying you multiply this by 4. All right. It is correct. Very good. All right. So that's the relationship. You minus this number, and then you whatever number you get, you multiply it by this. 12 minus 7, that's a 5, and you times it. See it? Same thing for this. 8 minus 3 give you 5, or 8 from 5 give you 3, and you multiply by that. All right. So whichever way you look at it, once you have that, awesome job. All right. So guys, this is how you're gonna approach your exam. You take your time, you reason it out. Don't just rush and circle one and say, most one out of the 4, I know. Read it carefully, write down the information that you are given, and then you can proceed to ask to what they ask you for. Very important. Very good. All right, number 24 now. A number is given in the box below. Use it to, I'm gonna big up this a bit. I like when you guys can see clear, you know. Yeah. A number is given in the box below using number to item. So we have 99. So it says now, a number, oh, here comes Leah. A number with the digit 9 is added to the number in the box to make it 1000. What I like this. What is the place value of the digit 9 in the number that is added? Read it very carefully. So we add a number to 99 to make it 1000. What is the place value of the digit 9 in the number that is added?
100.
I heard somebody said something.
Sir, 100.
100. Tell us how you got that.
Okay, sir. So first I said that the number plus 99 equals 1000. So the number is 1000 minus 99, and that equals to 901. So I put it in my place value and I got 100.
Yeah, it is 100. All right. Because remember, you're going to get exactly 1000. So guys, not all the times you have to do calculation. Some you're going to do a little reasoning. So reasoning, because it couldn't be 1000. Let's be realistic. Because if you add 1000, for example, which is the minimum, to 99, you can't get. Either get 1099, you couldn't get 1000, right? So you're going to use your common sense. And so, you see, place value is very important. And the performance task also, you're going to start with a number thing. So guys, pay attention to everything that we're doing in class. Everything is relevant. All right, everything is relevant. All right, let's move on to 25. We get something like this one yesterday. It was fun. Let us see if this one is fun. It says, examine the number line below the point E. Oh Lord, I can't see it, I don't know where E is. But let us assume, let us assume E is right here, because I can't see nowhere else where it could have been. All right. So it says, examine the number line below the point E on the number line is represented by 3/4. So when you get them something here, guys, you put in the information right away on the paper, right on the paper. So when you're seeing it, it's so much easier than when you read it and just say, oh, that's a 3/4. It might slip you. All right. Which fraction would be in the box? So you're gonna pick which of these would be in the box. So this is 3/4. Which fraction would go in the box for 25? Somebody text in the chat. Let me see.
Sir, B.
B as in Bennett. Okay.
Yes, sir.
B, sir. Yeah, B as in Benedict.
All right. Why B? Why B? Explain how you get the answer. Remember, so we did a class here, you have to explain everything. Why B, guys? Why not A? Why not C? Why not D? Why B?
Okay, sir. So
Go ahead.
based on what I've seen, the point represents 3/4. So when I look at denominator, I was like saying that every like numerator that you put over the denominator should be 4. So I went ahead and filled in the number line. So it started at 0. So I went ahead and put in 1/4. Then I said 2/4. Then I went to 3/4. Then I ended up at 4/4.
Okay. All right. So, all right, about here to be what? What would be about here then? They didn't put the team, but at this point, what do you think could be the fraction?
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
All right. And then this would be what?
2/4 or a half.
2/4 or a half, right? Yeah. So if we have 3/4, as you said, it would be 4/4, which is the same as what?
1/2.
1/2. Because sometimes they could have said, they could have about this and put 1. So you guys have to know that 4/4 is the same as a whole. All right, very good. All right, I'm multitasking, guys. I'm multitasking. As soon as we reach the point where I make you guys WhatsApp me, I hope everybody have my number and so forth. All right, so it says mark chart of a number and perform the steps below. This one, guys, I want you to WhatsApp me this one as I was saying that. So work out this one Not just look and answer. Work out this one. This is a very interesting one. Mark part of a number and perform the following. Perform the steps below. Use the steps that Mark performed to answer item 26. Step 1, multiply the number he thought of by 2. Step 2, add 10 to the result of step 1. Step 3, divide the result of step 2 by 2. And step 4, subtract 4 from the result of step 3. After the following step, Mark ended up with 5. What was the number he thought of? Show me the working for this one, guys. All right. We have time. Who needs my number? I'm write my number here. Work out this one, guys, and send it to me. If you ask mommy or daddy to assist you with it, if you need to take a pic, all right? I'm very interested to see how you guys approach this one. So this is my number, 876-549-2161. So work it out and let me know, all right? All right, thanks, Najero. Najero, show the working. Suppose me I say, I guess Najero gets that, you know. All right, Moisha, very good. Step by step. Awesome. I'm sure she did not guess because I'm sure of the answer. So Joshua, what's the answer? Type in the answer. All right, let me see Gitania's. All right, Gitania, she did it a different way, but that's fine also. See, I see you're good at your algebra. She use her X them guys. Nigeria said he did it in his head. Nigeria, mic working? Let me see what Tori K come up with. But Tori K, you don't tell me what's the answer. But Nigeria used to talk in regular class, man. All right. Who wants to take the floor? Thanks, guys. Thanks for the messages. Awesome, awesome. You guys are awesome.
I sent you mine.
Who is 206? That's a new number.
Amoya.
Amaya. Okay. Well done, Amaya. Amaya, oh, you have so many different phones. Yesterday was a different. All right, let's go. Who wants to take the floor? Explain it from scratch.
Can I start?
Yeah, man, you can. All of us are mathematicians in here. Go ahead.
So I did the opposite since they said that all of these gave you 5. So I did the opposite. So first I had 5 plus when I got 9. And I
All right,
times it
wait.
by
Let me just do it as I say it. 5 plus 4. Yeah, man, go ahead. Keep talking.
9, and I times it by 2, which gives me 18. Then I subtract it.
Voila. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah, so you multiply 9 times 2, which is doing the opposite of what's happening. Remember, I know we're all learning at the same time. So because they subtract 4, you added 4. So you do the opposite, right? And because they divide by 2, you multiply it by 2. All right, what's next?
Then I take away 18 times 10.
You take away 10 from 18.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they added 10, so you're doing the opposite. So you're minus 10. Very good. All right, memorize the result first. That will give us 8. And then you can take it from there. So what's next?
Then I divide 8 times 2, and I got 4 as my answer.
Hold on. You have 8. The answer 8. Because they say take away 10 from 18. So we get 8. So what's the next step? We're at 8, you know. I do everything that you said. You say add 4. 5 plus 4, that is 9. You say times by 2. I get
Divide
18. Oh, divide. All right, let me just divide this by 2. And what's the answer?
4.
4. Very good. It is correct. Guys, if you did not know all these fancy stuff, and as someone work it with the algebra, she put in her X and she do her operations. Awesome, Gitania. All right, and she got 4 also. What you could have done also, you know, say you go exam and you don't know exactly what to do. What you could have done is to try all these numbers. All right, it's awesome to know this, but just in case you didn't remember what to do, you could put this number. So you start with 2 first, right? And then you multiply it by 2, subtract 10, and so on, and see if it give you 5. The ones that give you 5, you know, that would be the correct answer. But Mr. Benita, I'm a teacher, so now I'm going to know how to do it step by step. All right? Very good. All right. Somebody a cuss out a door, you know. A Christmas and people misery. I don't know how some people life still so, you know. All right, let's go now. Let me small up this a bit. So I want everyone to be able to see it. Guys, this is the part that's going to give you the most challenge, the mathematics part of it. You notice how we just run through that part there? Yeah. All right, 4 siblings, Carl, Bob, Dean, and Mary, are to be arranged in order of the oldest to the youngest. Notice what it's saying now, guys. It says you're supposed to arrange it from the oldest to the youngest. Who can give me another name for that? Or the way they're arranging it? What type of order?
Ascending order.
Descending order. Very good. All right. So we're arranging it in descending order. Because we are mathematicians. We can use the language, don't it? Yeah, man. All right. So listen to the clues. Guys, pay attention to this very carefully. Carl is neither the youngest nor the oldest. That's one clue. Clue number 2. Are you ready? Bob is older than Dean, but younger than Mary. Oh my word. Listen to the cues. And guys, if we must go and do the Olympiad and so, you know, them something that help when if it develop the critical thinking, because a lot of people think that you're born with critical thinking. You're not. You develop it from your experiences and so forth. Knowing content, going places.
So answer A.
A. Everyone agree with her? Explain how you got A for me now, please.
It says that it says that Carl is neither the youngest nor the oldest, so he's between the youngest and
All
the
right,
oldest.
so that, yeah, right. So you use that as your clue. All right. What now?
Says Bob is older than Dean. So I put Dean, then I put Bob. Then it says Mary is, then it says,
But younger than Mary.
but among the Mary, so I put Mary at the top. So then I looked and then I saw that.
Oh,
Mary
you
could
use these as your answer.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. It is A, very good. But that is what I want, guys. This is what they want from you. They want you to think critically. All right. It's not about just multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. It's about the reasoning part. So you're gonna reason out the question. And Akila was saying A also. Very good. All right. So guys, you're going, as she said, she put them in and then she look at the options and said, no, sir. Oh, Mary the way doing so. And them say Mary older. I'm younger than Mary. So oh, Mary are the youngest. Mary couldn't be the youngest. Right? And this is how you do it. You reason it out. And this is something that you have to develop. You don't just burn with it. And it comes through practice. All right. So go on my channel and do some work and so at all times. All right, let's go. Let's move on to 28. It says if one, we could call that a square. If one square represents two triangle, then four triangle is represented by
D.
Two squares.
all right. Yeah. I'm happy say you guys pick it up so fast. What they do, they kind of split this, right? Because this are for one, and then this are for two. So that was pretty straightforward. Very good. All right, so let's look at so 29. I think you guys probably have to spend a little time on this one. Adam and Jody are training for sports day. Tables below show the number of push-ups Adams and Jody completed. Someone text in the chat. Let me just check. 28. Okay. Thanks. Akila was saying that's D. I think I got the message late. Guys, forgive me some time, but I have to check all the messages because some person's mic are not working. So I just like to, everyone's supposed to be involved. Right, let's go again. Adam and Jody are training for sports day. The tables below show the number of push-ups Adam and Jody completed. Use this information in the tables to answer 29. So you show your Adam one, you know. Day 1, 10 push-up. Day 2, 15 push-up. Day 3, 25 push-up. Day 4, 40 push-up. Oh my God, you know. Day 5, 60 push-ups. Whoa. All right. Then we go to Jody now. 7 days. She completed 100. Why do they make it look so? All right, let's see what they want, guys. Adam uses a set pattern to complete his push-up each day. If Adam continues this pattern to day 7, which statement below would be true about the number of push-ups Adams completed? So guys, I want you guys to see it very carefully. You're gonna go to Adam and you're gonna focus on day 7. So they say you have a specific. How many push-ups would Adam do? The question did not ask, but just work it out for me first. Joshua says 29 is B. Let's see what the others think. Work it out, guys, and see.
Complete and day 7 is greater than the number of push-ups Jody completed on day 7. The number of push-ups Alan completed on day 7 is less than the number of push-ups Jody completed on day 7. The number of push-ups Alan John complete on day 7 is the same. The number of push-ups Adam and Jody completed on day 7 cannot be determined from information given. The number of push-ups Adam and Jody completed on day 7 cannot be determined from information given.
All right, so I want you guys, the question did not ask, but I want you guys to work it out and tell me what's the pattern and how many you think you would do on day 6 and day 7 based on the pattern. So you're gonna figure. Okay, send me. Thank you so much.
We put the answer.
Let's get you what push-up Adam did.
Take your time, guys. We have time.
Make sure you retake.
All right, very good, Jitanya. I think you figured out the pattern. What about the others? Let me check in the chat to see. Someone just text in the chat. Let me just see. Everyone is involved. Let me see what Joshua is. Joshua is saying something. Let me see. Well done, Jitanya. Correct. But I'm waiting on the others. I want to hear everyone response. All right. So everyone just text me what you think would be the pattern. Guys, this is very important. This is all the critical thinking come in. All right. You have to be very observant. You have to know numbers and so forth. I hope you guys are watching my videos when I upload them, all right? I'm always uploading content for you guys. Pep is my main focus. All right, Sasha K. Sasha K, could you elaborate on how you got the answer? Notice, Mr. Bennett, just say if you say A that good, you know, or if you say B that good. Tell us how you get the answer. That way, when I know how you the mistake you make, I can help you. Amaya. Very good, Amaya. I think you're good on this kind of things. That's correct.
I added all the days.
So I sent mine in the chat.
Tori K, explain how you got your answer, please. Or send me something. Okay, Moisha. All right, thanks, Moisha. Yeah, this is correct, Tori K. Moisha, very good. Your workout is also correct. Awesome. You guys are awesome. I said that so many times. Once you guys keep your composure, Pep is gonna be so easy for you. All right, let's go. Very good, it's correct. So guys, the first task is to inspect the numbers, right? So we can say, all right, we have 10. How did we get to 15?
10 plus 5.
We added 5 first, right? Everyone see that?
Add.
So now we're at
Yes.
15. How did we get to 25?
Add
10
10.
plus 15.
10. All
10.
right. So 10 plus 15 plus 10 give it 25. But how did they get to 40?
15 plus 25.
They added 15. So it's like each time you added in an extra 5 on it. You guys realize that? So by the time we reach to 40, how many they added?
25.
20.
20. So see there, they added 5, 10, 15. So what's the next one?
25.
25. So now we're at 85. How much should they add?
30.
30.
Okay.
So in all, it would be 1, 1, 5,
100.
and 15, right? So let us see what they are saying now. A says, I think you guys did exceptionally well on this one. The number of push-ups Adam completed on day 7 is greater than the number of push-ups Jody completed on day 7. Is 115 greater than 100?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's A.
Yes.
It's A, but we're still gonna see what they come up with. The number of push-up Adam completed on day 7 is less. No, that's not correct. The number of push-up Adam and Jody completed on day 7 is the same. No, 115 is not equal to 100. The number of push-up Adam and Jody completed on day 7 cannot be determined from the information. Yes, it can be determined. So it is A. Very good. All right. Let's move on to 30. We have 10 more to go, guys. 10 more to go. So read them very carefully, guys. Don't rush it. You notice Mr. Bennett not rushing you. We're gonna work on your speed further on, all right? 4 girls ran different legs and are winning 4x100 meter relay. And we know South Jamaica this. From them win, we know South Jamaica. We don't have to ask which country. The time run by each girl is shown on the table below. Use the information to answer item 30. So Julie, look a bit slow still, you know, I'm not like 12.41. Anne ran 11.32. That's not bad. And Kayla ran 12.05. Tanisha ran 11.17. Which girl may have contributed most to the success of the team?
Tanisha.
Tanisha.
Why Tanisha?
She run the fastest in the lowest amount of time.
Yeah, because all of them ran 100 meter, right? Well, except for the person who actually started. I think the person who started ran 110, you know, but something like that. Yeah, but Tanisha ran the fastest. But to be honest, all of them contribute to it, because if one had dropped the button, then it would not have been a success. So Tanisha, since as the question asks us, but in reality, if all of 4 persons do something together, all deserve the credits just the same. All right. All right, let's look at this one. Yeah, let me just carry it up. I love when you guys can see all of the question. Yeah, this is way better now. The picture below shows the different types of dogs. The dogs are arranged in ascending order based on their height. The difference in their height between the dog is about the same. So them say the different. Notice now, guys, all of this information, this you are going to use to solve it, are the same. Use the information to answer 31. This is where I want you guys to write down the information that you are given. All right. If dog, I would love if you guys can WhatsApp me this too. If dog 6 is 55 centimeter tall and dog 2 is 50 centimeter tall, which statement about the dog 3 would be true? The dog tree is about, is it 17, 35, 45, or 52? Work out that one for me, guys. You can draw a little dog if you want. Here.
35.
35.
35.
Everybody's so uncertain. Oh, you got it.
That's what I'm working on.
Yeah, yeah. I love how you guys are excited about maths. Everyone agree that it is 35? Because that seems to be the consensus. And a poor people, me I look on them and me no see no mongrel, you know, guys. I want to go on. I'll be a rich dog, me see, you know, man. No for that, I want to go on. How do that paper, yeah? We don't see one mongrel. A joke thing this. All right, so what's happening? We have 1 minute and then we're gonna come back for our last session. All right. All right, someone takes in the chat. Let me just check out that in the chat. Sir, what is 30? What was 30? Somebody asked what was 30. Honestly, I don't remember out of my head, but let me just check. Hold on, guys. 30. Oh, 30 was Tanisha because she ran the fastest time. In a race, the lower your time is the faster you go. All right. And the bigger your number, or the slower you go. All right. So, guys, you guys gonna join back. Somebody said they're gonna send me the 35. So, guys, don't know. Subscribers, everybody. A number here 5492161. So guys, just join back. All right, immediately. It's gonna end, so you're gonna join back immediately. And we're gonna start at 31 for the last session. You guys are awesome.
That's in my working out.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I forgot to join back.